In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs on Indeed. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can quickly look for opportunities that match your experience and preferred location. If you're brand new to Indeed, don't worry. This process is very straightforward, and once you do it once, it becomes easy to repeat for different roles or areas. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Indeed.com. Wait for the homepage to fully load so all search options are visible. Indeed is designed to help you search through a large number of job listings, so starting from the main page gives you the fastest path to relevant results. Once you're on the site, look for the search fields near the top of the page. You'll usually see one field labeled for what you're looking for, and another for where you want to work. In the What field, type your target role. This should be the kind of job you want, such as a job title, skill, or area of work that matches your background. Be as specific as you need to be, especially if you want more targeted results. Next, move to the Where field and enter your target area. This can be a city, region, or general location depending on how broad or narrow you want your search to be. If you're open to more options, you can use a wider area. If you want something close to home, keep it more specific. Taking a moment to enter the right location can help reduce irrelevant listings and save time. After both fields are filled in, click the Find Jobs button to run the search query. Indeed will then display a list of job postings that match the role and area you entered. Give the page a second to load and then start reviewing the available results. From there, click on a listing that fits your background to expand the details. This is where you can get a better sense of the position, including the job description, responsibilities, and other information the employer has shared. As you review listings, focus on the ones that align with your skills and experience so you can spend your time on the most promising opportunities. That's the basic process for searching for jobs on Indeed using Chrome. Once you're comfortable with it, you can repeat the same approach with different job titles or locations to explore even more options.